Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving you a real-world example of a command line game. And this game that I've made is a game of Hanged Man. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go over the code of the game, and then we'll play the games just so you can see how it works. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to import the inbuilt module random so we can produce random numbers. And then we're going to have a list of possible words. The list of words is Python, Hanged Man, developer, keyboard, programming, VBA, function, and some others. So we're going to choose a random word. So word equals random.choice words dot lower, and then what the lower does is the lower converts everything to lowercase. And then guessed letters equals an empty list, and you get 6 tries, and so it prints welcome to Hanged Man. And then we have the game loop. So you have a while loop. So while tries is greater than 0. So you display the current word status. Say display word is going to be a space. For letter in word, display word equals display word plus letter. If letter and guessed letters, else a blank, a space. And print word, display word. And then it says guess equals input, guess a letter lower. So that means it converts anything you enter into lower. If not guess dot is alpha or len guess does not equal 1, print please enter a single alphabetic character, and then continue. If guess and guessed letters, print you've already guessed that letter, then continue. So guessed letters dot append guess. If guess in word, print good guess. Else tries equals tries minus 1, print wrong guess, tries left, and then you have the number of tries. If all letter and guessed letters for letter and word, print congratulations, you guessed the word, and then you break. Else, print game over, the word was word. So that's just a small program. It's a real life program where you made a game at the command prompt, and this is Hanged Man. So what we're going to do is we're going to play the Hanged Man game just so you can see how it plays. So it says this is your word. It says guess a letter. I'm going to pick A. Said well, that didn't work out, did it? Because it said appended book data to books.csv. So that didn't work. So let's just say word. Let's try it again. Let's just go X. Number of tries. So basically, let's try to get out of this. Run, format, edit, file. Let's just say exit idle. And then we're going to kill it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to try idle again. I think what happened is I was working on some other work, and probably it all got caught up in there. So we'll open it again. Go back in the Hanged Man. So we've already gone over the code of the Hanged Man, so we're not going to do that. We'll just run it. Hopefully it'll run again. I'm going to say A, see what happens. Wrong guess, 5 tries left. Let's try, I won't try E, I won't try I, I'll try O. Good, it said, guess a letter. It says, good guess. So, it says O. I'm going to try N. Good guess. I'm going to try I. Wrong guess. Got 4 guesses left, so something to do. I'm going to try P. Good guess. I'm going to try Y. Good guess. Going to try T. Good guess. I'm going to try O. H. Congratulations, you passed the word game. So it worked this time. The reason why it didn't work the last time is because I was doing some work on the bookstore program, and I guess I didn't close out properly. And because I didn't close out properly, that's why it said appended to the CSV file. And I had that happen to me when I'm working on Excel VBA as well. So that's how you play the game. And so what we've done is we've done a code review. We've done a code review of the Hanged Man game, which is an online command line game. And then we played the game so you can see how we can play the game. So that's going to conclude this video. And I just wanted to give you a real world example of something that you can do in Python. And it's going to cover all the things that we talked about in previous videos. So thank you for watching. The next video is going to be one more Python topic of a real world example you can work on.